Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to see club rules on Clubhouse. So let's start. First, open the Clubhouse app. Now go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on top right corner. At the bottom of your profile you will see all the clubs you are member of. Now tap on a club icon and it will take you to the clubs page. On the clubs page you will see all the information about that club. Now to see the rules of the club, you have to tap on three dots on top right corner. Then tap on Review Club Rules. A window will open, and here you will see all the rules of this club. Now to close this window, all you have to do is swipe down. And that's how you can see all the rules of a club. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.